Okay, hi you guys. We have plans for zombies. As you see, we have Papa again. As you saw in the Slayer Eye video, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
it was
so
last summer.
So we're going to open up. So we're going to open up these. So and plans for zombies blind bags. And yeah, I already have these. So hopefully I don't get a double. Like rose or corn on the cob. What is this? What is this? Super Brain! I have no idea how to build this guy, so yeah. Like, we're just going to build this guy after. Now it's time for you, Papa. Open this up and stop.
You got this guy?
Yeah, I just got him. I just got him out of the blind bag.
Which one is that?
Super Brains!
Which one is it on there?
Yes.
That one.
Yes. So, the one in the corner that's flying, the zombie that's flying in the corner is Super Brain. And I just got him. So, Papa, you have to open this.
All right. Let's see what I can get.
Maybe another zombie, maybe something. Right my plan. Like something cool, I hope. Like
What did I get? What did I get?
Sunflower!
I got sunflower.
Also, this will be an easy one to put together. Sunflower is an easy one to put together.
Oh.
I guess not. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Maybe if we get another blind bag and Papa's here, like 2 blind bags and Papa's here, we can do this. Also, plus we also have guest stars on this channel. So yeah.
Is Papa a guest star?
Yeah, Papa's a guest. As you see in a couple of videos.
Let's see. Show him. Show us.
Hey.
Sunflower. So this is sunflower. I don't know what the stem is for, but
Oh, he's cute.
I know. Pretty sure it's lightning, thunder. I'm pretty sure it's thunder, sunflower, and this one's Super Brains. I have no idea how to like build this guy, but still, it's pretty cool. Wait.
Oh, we gotta put that on first. Needs its cape.
So yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe and ring the bell if you